Is it possible to make gummies without gelatin? Spectacular! You can know the answer after the intro. For our gummies, we need 300 ml of Coca-Cola, but if you like to do other kind of test, maybe orange, you can use 300 ml orange juice, same with pineapple juice, same with strawberry juice, but maybe how can you find the strawberry juice? You can make it like I done when I make my homemade strawberry liquor or homemade strawberry cream liquor. You take the strawberries, you put in the refrigerator. After they are frozen, you remove them and put at room temperature. They defrost and the liquid from the strawberry drops in your container. You take 300 ml, you can make strawberry gummies. Now that I will put the ingredient in the pot, I will write the quantity. Same recipe for all the kind of gummies. You need only to change the juice that you like, the taste that you want to give to your gummies. 300 ml of the juice that you like, 350 gram of corn syrup or the sugar syrup that you can find in your country, 80 gram of sugar. For the Coca-Cola I'm using raw sugar cane, very dark, so to increase the color. For the orange, again, because we want to keep the orange color, we will use 80 gram of white sugar. When start boiling, we can add 30 gram of butter, 15 ml of lemon juice, and 40 gram of corn starch melt with 40 gram of water. I don't know if you notice, already start to be thick, so we reduce the power to our stove and we stir maybe in 20-30 minutes. Our gummy will be ready. You know that it's ready when don't stick anymore to the pot or to the spoon. After 30 minutes, all the jelly stay together, so we can remove from the stove, put on a baking paper and shape our gummies, probably the most complicated thing. Like I mentioned, the most complicated things of this recipe is to shape our gummies. But it's okay, they are homemade, so they will be all differently. Now we should wait that reach the room temperature, and after we can take our big gummy and cut in small, spectacular, homemade gummies. Now they reach the room temperature, we can cut our gummies. Put in the powdered sugar and store in a glass jar. E voilà, le vostre gummies are ready. So Let's test one with the orange. Spectacular, super soft, they melt in the mouth, and with the sugar a little bit crunchy, even better. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some recipe similar that you want to share with us, you can write me here under the video, on Instagram, or send me an email. If you try to make it, let us know down in the comment what kind of flavor you decide to use for these gummies. Let's try also one with the Coca-Cola. Spectacular.